Hey guys! So the big question is, will Bitcoin and other digital currencies replace traditional money? Let's find out!
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
Cryptocurrency, led by Bitcoin, has come a long way since its creation in 2009. It has grown from a niche concept known only to a select few to a mainstream topic of conversation and a rapidly growing asset class. This has led many to wonder about the future of cryptocurrency and whether it will eventually replace traditional money. The short answer is that it's difficult to predict exactly how the future will unfold. However, it's clear that cryptocurrency has the potential to disrupt the traditional financial system in a big way. One of the biggest advantages of cryptocurrency is its decentralization. Unlike traditional money, which is controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrency operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means that transactions can be made without the need for intermediaries, making them faster, cheaper, and more secure. Another advantage is that cryptocurrency is borderless, meaning that it can be used anywhere in the world. This makes it an attractive option for people living in countries with unstable currencies or for those looking to make international transactions. Cryptocurrency also has the potential to democratize access to financial services. Since it's digital, it can be easily stored and accessed on a mobile device, making it accessible to people who may not have access to traditional banking services. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed before cryptocurrency can replace traditional money. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of acceptance and understanding among the general public. Many people still see cryptocurrency as a speculative investment rather than a means of payment. Additionally, there are regulatory and legal challenges that need to be addressed. Governments and financial institutions are still trying to figure out how to regulate and integrate cryptocurrency into the existing financial system. In conclusion, the future of cryptocurrency is uncertain, but it has the potential to disrupt the traditional financial system in a big way. It offers advantages such as decentralization, borderless transactions, and democratized access to financial services. However, it still has to overcome the challenges of acceptance, understanding, and regulation before it can replace traditional money. As technology advances and more people become familiar with crypto, it's likely that crypto will play a bigger role in the global economy. So, do you think Bitcoin will replace our current financial system? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's discuss. So, of course, I'm a big supporter of Bitcoin and blockchain. So for more interesting tips and tricks, but especially on how to make money with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Of course, make sure to smash that like button, guys. I really appreciate it. It's my fuel to make more videos. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.